Hey everyone, welcome to MRKSA classes. So, in this video, I'll be discussing some important questions from organic chemistry for second year PUC board exam. Alright, see, we have already discussed some important questions from physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So, I have already uploaded that video. So, if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch that video as well. Alright, now see, the questions from organic chemistry will come mainly in part D. Alright. And in part D, total you will be having 6 questions, and out of 6 questions you are supposed to answer 4. And each question carries here 5 marks. Alright. So in total, part D you will be writing it for 20 marks, which is a major weightage here. Alright. So you cannot skip organic chemistry, you must study organic chemistry. So if you are tensed, don't worry, you can study these questions which are more than sufficient. Alright. Now see, in part D, generally the first question will be asked from haloalkanes and haloarenes. So you should not skip haloalkanes and haloarenes. Whereas the last question in part D will be asked from biomolecules, so don't skip biomolecules as well. It is a small chapter anyway, so you can study biomolecules easily. Alright, so don't skip haloalkanes and haloarenes, and don't skip biomolecules. And in haloalkanes and haloarenes, especially SN1 and SN2 reactions are quite important. Out of these two, any one can be asked. And along with this, the reason question, that is why haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions, this question is also very important. Alright, so make sure to study these questions and from haloalkanes and haloarenes. Similarly, from biomolecules, the Haworth structures are very important. And then this question where you have to show glucose has aldehyde group, alcoholic group, or it contains a linear chain. So this question is also very important. So make sure to study these two parts, these two chapters. And once you're done with these two chapters, so basically you will be able to answer 2 questions easily. So out of 4 you have answered 2, you just have to answer 2 more questions. And those 2 questions you can answer from any one of these 3 chapters. Alright. So but what I suggest is, first you study haloalkanes and haloarenes, then you study biomolecules, and then you study alcohols, phenols and ethers. And especially in this chapter, see, I have given only I think 5 questions, this is repeated. So there are only 5 important questions. You can study these questions and you can expect any one question from here. Especially this question is very important, that is mechanism for the dehydration of ethanol to ethane. So this question is very important. So study this chapter. Now once you are done with this chapter, you can study amines. So here also I have mentioned around 5 to 6 questions which are very important. And especially in this, the Hoffman bromamide is important. And then this one, how do you convert benzene diazonium chloride to nitrobenzene? This is also an important, along with this Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So what I said, first study haloalkanes, haloarenes, then study biomolecules. So you'll be fixing 2 questions. And once you're done with that, then you study alcohols and phenols, ethers. And generally the second question in part D will be of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So you'll be thorough in this chapter as well. And then you study amines, which will be easier for you. Alright. And then you can study aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. And in this especially, this first question is very important, that is preparation of acetophenone from benzene. It is very important. Then Wolff-Kishner reduction, then HVZ reaction, and then Cannizzaro reaction. So these are some important questions from aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Alright. So all these questions are important. Make sure to study them. This will definitely help in your final exams. Alright. So I'll make sure to provide the PDF of this in the comment section, so you can download it from there. And if you're not able to download, you can just search my Telegram channel, and there it will be available. Alright. So hope these questions will be useful for you in the final exams. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.